So, you're thinking about StashAway, huh? Wondering if you could actually lose money with this investment platform? Let's dive right in. Understanding StashAway. StashAway is a robo-advisor, a fancy term for an automated investment platform. It uses algorithms to invest your money in various assets like stocks and bonds. The goal? To grow your wealth over the long term. Can you lose money? The short answer, yes, you can lose money with StashAway. But before you panic, let's unpack why. Market fluctuations. The stock market isn't a guaranteed win. Just like any other investment, StashAway's performance is tied to the overall market. When the market dips, so might your investments. Diversification, your best friend. StashAway's strategy involves diversifying your investments across various asset classes. This reduces risk, but it doesn't eliminate it entirely. Fees. A small price to pay. StashAway charges a small management fee to handle your investments. While these fees are generally reasonable, they can eat into your returns over time. Know your fees. It's essential to understand the fee structure of your specific StashAway plan. Time horizon. Patience is a virtue. Investing is a long-term game. Short-term market fluctuations can cause temporary losses. The power of time, over longer periods, the effects of compounding can significantly boost your returns, often outweighing short-term losses. So, should you use StashAway? If you're a beginner investor looking for a hands-off approach, StashAway can be a great option. However, it's crucial to set realistic expectations. Do your research, understand the risks involved and the specific investment strategies employed by StashAway. Consider your risk tolerance. Choose a plan that aligns with your comfort level for risk. Stay informed, keep an eye on your investments and make adjustments as needed. The bottom line. While there's always a risk of losing money in any investment, StashAway offers a relatively low-risk way to grow your wealth over the long term. By understanding the risks, setting realistic expectations, and staying informed, you can maximize your chances of achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.